Welcome to Master Your Life. This channel is all about learning the skills schools don't always teach, like managing money, staying safe, and building independence. Each video is made for educational purposes, giving you general information you can use in everyday life. We're not here to replace professional advice, but to help you feel confident, informed, and ready to take on the real world. Let's get started. Every day we face money choices. Should I buy this now? Should I save for later? Or do I need to protect my money in case of an emergency? Let's explore how to make smart decisions in these situations. First, think about spending. Spending isn't bad, it's necessary. But before you buy something, ask yourself two questions. Do I need this today? And will it matter to me next week? If the answer is no, it might be better to wait. Next is saving. Saving even small amounts can make a big difference. Imagine putting aside just $5 every week. By the end of a year, that's over $250, enough for emergencies or a bigger goal. Automatic transfers to savings accounts make this even easier. Finally, let's talk about protecting your money. Life happens. Maybe your car breaks down or you lose your wallet. Having a backup plan keeps you safe. This might mean keeping some cash in a safe place at home or having an emergency fund with at least 1 month of expenses. Here's the key. Spending, saving, and protecting all work together. Spend wisely on what matters, save regularly for the future, and protect yourself with an emergency cushion. Smart decisions don't mean being perfect. They mean pausing, thinking, and choosing what's best for you today and tomorrow.